Hello everybody, and now I'm gonna show you how to solve if your uh, touch bar server has frozen. So now what you can do, you can just have first look if you have the latest updates, and then you can go to the system settings from left corner up, and you can see the general and then choose the software update. If you updated the last version of the MacBook, then you are sure that your edit or you can make the touch bar server frozen free again. And after the checking of the last updates or latest updates, then you can go to the keyboards, choose keyboards, and make sure you click on touch bar settings, and you from here up down you choose expanded control strips, and from the second one you also must have this option. Now you can also customize control strips by clicking on the edit of the touch bar. Then you can basically choose whatever option you want from here and drag it down. When you drag it down towards your touch bar server, it will automatically, after you clicking on done, then your touch bar server will be freely work again. Please guys, if you see that it's work for you, then please don't forget to put a comment and let me know how does it work for you. Thank you.